Good afternoon, students. In our this session, we are going to solve exercise 1.2. In the introduction of this exercise, we have studied about the properties of integer. Let us first recall about the properties. We have studied about closure property. What is closure property? If you have two numbers as integers, then after the operation answer is also an integer. मतलब अगर आपने दो इंटीजर्स को प्लस किया है तो आपका आंसर भी क्या आना चाहिए, एक इंटीजर ही आना चाहिए. अगर आपने दो इंटीजर्स को माइनस किया है तो आंसर भी क्या आना चाहिए, एक इंटीजर ही आना चाहिए. देन वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. बट कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी स्टेट्स दैट a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए. एंड एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी इज लिंक्ड विद ग्रुपिंग. पहले दो को ग्रुप किया है, उसके बाद थर्ड को ऐड किया है, या पहले फर्स्ट को छोड़ के बाकी दो को ऐड करके उसके बाद उसमें फर्स्ट ऐड किया है. दैट इज योर एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ देन वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी क्या था कि अगर आप किसी इंटीजर में ज़ीरो को प्लस करते हो तो आंसर क्या रहता है, सेम रहता है. तो ज़ीरो क्या है आपकी एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी क्या था कि अगर आप किसी नंबर या किसी इंटीजर को वन से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आंसर क्या रहता है, सेम रहता है. तो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी क्या था, वन. एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या था, दो नंबर्स को प्लस करने पे आंसर क्या आना चाहिए, ज़ीरो. तो अगर आपके पास एक नंबर 5 है तो उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स, इनवर्स मीन्स ऑपोजिट. व्हाट इज द इनवर्स, 5 ऑफ एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 5 इज -5. All these things we have studied. Now we are going to solve our first question, and the question goes like this: write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. You have to write two integers in such a way that if you add these two your answer is -7. So many examples can be there. One example is given in this also, but we can take with our own choice. For example, you have taken, in this we have taken -5 plus -2. How we have solved this? -5 plus minus will make a minus. -5 -2, same signs we will add, that is equal to -7. You can take one more example. -9 plus 2, opposite signs subtract and sign will be of greater number. So 9 minus 2, 7. 9 has a sign of minus, so answer is -7. We can take -3 plus -4 also. -3 plus minus will make a minus, and -3 -4 -7. We can take as many example as you can. Now the second part is difference is -10. You have to write down a pair of integers whose difference is -10. Difference means you have to subtract this time. You have to take a minus b in such a way that your answer is -10. So we can take a value -2, b value +8. So -2 -8 is equal to -10. This answer can be there. Or we can take -12 plus 2. This is also -10. Or we can take -5, sorry, we can take -4 -6. This is also -10. In this way we can take as many examples as we can. Now the third one is sum is 0. What does it mean? That means a plus b is equal to 0. So we can take a as -5 and b as +5, answer is 0. We can take a as -1, b as +1, answer is 0. In this way we can take as many examples as in your mind. You can write it with your own. No need to copy all these things. These are just for make you understand. You can solve the questions with yourself also, with your own examples. Now the second question goes like this. First part, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. You have to write two negative integers whose difference gives 8. Difference, first of all we put a sign minus for difference. Here and here both the integers should be negative, -a -b, and your answer must be 8. Here 8 is plus. How will you solve this? You have to take two integers, negative integers, in such a way that your difference must be 8. So the first integer minus a that you have taken is of negative sign, that can't be greater. वो नंबर आपका बड़ा नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए जिसके आगे माइनस का साइन है. माइनस ए इज योर फर्स्ट नंबर, सो दैट इज नेगेटिव एंड योर आंसर इज +8. आंसर में प्लस है, इस नंबर के सामने माइनस, मतलब ये वाला नंबर बड़ा नंबर नहीं होगा. डिफरेंस कैसे निकालते हैं? बड़े नंबर में से छोटे नंबर को माइनस करते हैं. तो आपका ये वाला नंबर ग्रेटर नहीं होना चाहिए. देन वी हैव माइनस माइनस बी. ये जो b है ये माइनस माइनस मिलके क्या बना देगा? प्लस. सो माइनस ए प्लस बी. प्लस साइन यहाँ है और प्लस साइन यहाँ है, मतलब आपका b वाला नंबर जो है वो ग्रेटर नंबर होना चाहिए, a वाला नंबर जो है वो स्मॉलर नंबर होना चाहिए. और कैसे नंबर चाहिए आपको? जिनको माइनस करने पे आंसर कितना आता हो? 8 आता हो. सो 10 और 2, 10 माइनस 2 क्या होता है? 8. तो 10 कहाँ आना चाहिए? b के प्लेस पे, और 2 कहाँ आना चाहिए? a के प्लेस पे. तो आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? वी हैव माइनस ए माइनस माइनस बी. सो a के प्लेस पे -2 माइनस माइनस 10 क्या बनेगा? -2 माइनस माइनस प्लस 10. 10 माइनस 2 plus 8. So the two integers are -2 and -10. In this way we will solve this. Now the next question is, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. You have to write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. Sum means plus two integers in such a way that when you add them answer is -5. See here, you have to take a negative integer, that means minus a, and you have to take a positive integer, that is plus b, and you have to add them, sum. In this way you have to write. Now here the sign is minus and here the sign is minus, so the greater number must be a and the smaller number must be b. So we can take a as -7 plus 2 is equal to -5, -9 plus 4 is equal to -5, -10 plus 5 is equal to -5. That means your a must be greater and your b must be smaller. Understand? Now the third question is, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is -3. What you have to do? You have to minus two integers, one must be negative, one must be positive, and your answer must be -3. That means minus a and this is minus b. See here, this is minus and plus minus will make a minus. So here it comes out to be minus a plus minus b is equal to minus a minus b. Whenever both of them have a same sign, we will add, and we want the answer to be -3. So the both numbers should plus in the form of 3. So we can take 2 and 1. So -2 -1. मतलब आपको दो ऐसे नंबर चाहिए जिनको ऐड करने पे क्या आना चाहिए? 3 आना चाहिए, और साइन अपने आप ही क्या आ जाएगा? जब दोनों के आगे साइन माइनस है तो आपका आंसर भी क्या होगा? माइनस. सो -2 -1, आंसर इज -3. Clear? Now the next question is question number 3rd. In a quiz, team A score -40, 10 and 0. Team B score 10, 0, -40 in 3 consecutive successive rounds. Successive means continuous. Which team score more? How can you say that? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? We can add integers in any order. That means associative or commutative. You have to tell it as you can add in commutative form. That means we have write a plus b, b plus a. Here we have changed the order, so we can add them in any order. You have to tell this, that we can add them in any order. So the team A has score -40 plus 10 and plus 0. -40 plus 10 plus 0. Answer is, here both have opposite signs, so we will subtract 40 minus 10, 30, and sign will be of greater number. So this is -30. This is for team A. And what about for team B? Team B, that is plus 10 plus 0 minus 40. So again opposite signs are there, so we will subtract 40 minus 10, 30, side will be of greater number, minus 30. So both of them have the same answer, minus 30 minus 30. But in team A we have added minus 40 plus 10 plus 0, but for team B we have added 10 plus 0 minus 40. Here we have changed the order. Here 40 minus 40 is in first, here minus 40 is in last, but the answer is always minus 30. This shows that order doesn't matter in addition. So we can say that we can add integers in any order because it follows commutative property. Clear? Now the next question is, fill in the blanks to make the following statement true. You have to make the following statement true by writing any integer which can make both sides equal. Here minus 5 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus minus 5. We can write it because this is a plus b, this is b plus a, and we have studied in commutative property that b plus a is equal to a plus b. Here the blank is minus 5. Next is minus 53 plus something is equal to minus 53. So we have studied whenever we take an integer and the answer is same, that means additive identity. We have studied in additive identity. Additive identity means 0. So here the blank will be filled with 0. Understand? You have to write the reason. I have written here commutative property, 0 additive property, that means additive identity. Next is 17 plus something is equal to 0. So whenever you add two numbers and the answer is 0, that is additive inverse. And what is additive inverse? Negative of the given number. So here ये प्लस है तो हमें क्या बनाना है उसको माइनस. सो ब्रैकेट में आपके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में क्या आएगा माइनस 17. कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी? एडिटिव इनवर्स, नॉट आइडेंटिटी. हेयर आई हैव राइट इट आइडेंटिटी. दिस इज एडिटिव इनवर्स. इनवर्स. Now the next is 13 plus minus 12 plus something is equal to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7. One thing we have studied, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Now a is here 13, b is minus 12, c you have to write in this side. A is 13, b is minus 12, c is minus 7. So both sides c must be equal. Here c is minus 7, so in this side c is minus 7. So in place of blank we will write minus 7. Which property? Associative property. Last one, minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3. Same, a plus b plus c. Here a is minus 4, b is 15, c is minus 3. A is minus 4, b is 15, c is minus 3. Which property? Associative property. So that's all for your exercise 1.2. Try to solve with your own first, then you will check the solution. You can write your own examples in the answer. Thank you and have a nice day.